Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Just imagine getting away from this view and wake up to this view. It took me 150 kilometers of one-way, 4 hours of riding, 2 hours of headache, and 8 hours of editing to share my heavenly experience with you. But when you witness the heavenly waterfalls, the greenery, the mountain ranges, the foggy weather, and the infinity pool, it is all worth it. The Hill Connection Resort is situated in the Zamrung of Karjat. You can witness the heavenly waterfalls flowing from the Bhima Shankar mountain ranges. If you want to experience this thing with me, then please do watch the video without skipping it to experience every bit of heaven that I experienced on my this trip.
Hi, now let's have a look at our room tour. So now we'll be having a look at the Athena suite of this bungalow. So now let's enter the Athena suite. Wow, isn't this amazing? I mean, if you are looking for an exotic property to spend time with your partner, then this is an amazing one. It actually has a wooden proper bed, and please look at the mirror here. I mean, if I would have been in this mirror, in front of this mirror, I would have loved to get dressed the entire day. Here again, the things they provide are similar. I would not repeat the same. Be it the stands, water bottle, tissues, refrigerator, TV, air conditioner. The lamp style is a bit different here, and which is quite good. You have a fan again with the remote smart TV and stuff. Now, the main highlight. I know you are too excited to look here. So let's have a look at the main highlight. This, isn't it amazing? I mean, while taking shower, if you have this view, and yes, those of you who are actually thinking that why would someone take shower in this open bathroom, then please let me help you that there are blinds here. You can actually take these blinds down. So don't you worry about that. You can actually take these blinds down. Alright, so that's not an issue. Again, you have a geyser, dispenser, hand wash, body wash, everything, and a sink with a mirror. So this is the view you get from the balcony of the Athena suite. Isn't it mesmerizing? And if you see the mountain ahead, I'm not sure if it is visible to you, but there are several waterfalls. There are several waterfalls in this mountain. So on this mountain you can see there are actually several waterfalls here. And there is one big waterfall here. So we are at day 2. तो आपने हमारा रूम टूर तो देख ही लिया है। विला की एक प्रॉपर्टी जो आप देख चुके हैं, दूसरी हमने इसके लिए नहीं दिखाई बिकॉज सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी है। अभी फ़िलहाल हम जा रहे हैं एक दूसरे विला में जो कि एक पूरा बंगलो है विच हैज़ अ प्राइवेट पूल टू। We have already seen pool 1 and now we are looking at pool 2 which is dedicatedly for this villa. So come, let's have a look at it. So now we are going inside the villa. Please come. So this is a 2 BHK villa in the Hill Connection property of Karjat, and now we are looking at the biggest villa in this place. So here you get a smart TV which is quite huge for a big family to enjoy. And here you have a good rustic feel in this ambience here. So this is something I really like. You have a well interior dining table here. This is not a normal dining table. It has a unique architecture here. This has a unique shape here. So you have around 7 chairs here with this dining table. You have a kitchen platform as well here. So you do have a kitchen platform and a quite huge one. You have a sink here, you have a double door refrigerator here, you have a carom board here, and you have a clock here. You have 3 fans in this huge hall. So, and with this lighting here, so these are around 6 bulbs here in this hall, and it gives you a very unique look and ambience. So now here you have an air conditioner here and rustic lamps here, a huge sofa here with a unique table again. And now let us have a look at the view. So this is the view you get. You can see running water right in front of the property from this window. This is the unique balcony you can enjoy. And look at the veranda. This is the wooden veranda which is giving you a very rich and royal feel. You can see various waterfalls here, several waterfalls. अगर आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पर सामने बहुत फॉग भी दिख रहा है आपको. So this is bedroom number 1 of this villa. You have one queen size bed and a full length mirror here. You have a fan here, air conditioner, rustic lamp and studio lights. And you have a washroom here. So a mirror again in the washroom, a sink, jet spray, shower, a dispenser, geyser, all of it which we seen in the previous room itself. A common sink here and a mirror. The mirror has lighting. So this is quite nice. This is bedroom number 2. Again, right in front of the entrance you can see the mirror, a queen size bed, fan, air conditioner, rustic lamps, window, and washroom I am sure is the same. So let's go at this. Is again a common toilet here with again geyser and your dispenser, jet spray and stuff. So this is the infinity pool, the main highlight of this place. A very beautiful infinity pool. Just imagine you are in this pool and there is nothing beyond this pool, just mountains and your own world.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us high.
So just look at this.
The night's young and it's just
Isn't it amazing? Of
She
course it
puts
is.
her hand in mine.
So you have nice chairs here and tables. You have good seating area here. So you can just relax with your family, friends, a whole good group. And there is one place here which can be a private gauge for you if you want to enjoy. You have wooden seatings there. If you observe, they are not your normal chairs. Just behind that, if you see, that's a wooden seating which is created of natural wood. So that is really really lovely, and you have a good shade, a natural shade. So this entire area is more of a natural space which is created. But just beside the infinity pool, you can see that there is a music system there, and your rain dance. So this is the rain dance which is privately only for anyone who is just specifically booking the villa. This is your private thing, the waterfall as well as the rain dance. The rain dance is like just awesome. I mean, just imagine a music system and this rain dance just beside the infinity pool with several waterfalls behind. Isn't this amazing? It's lovely. So are you one of those who couldn't enjoy a waterfall just because you were not allowed to enter it and you couldn't even go to a viewing point? I am one of those. So I can totally understand your pain, but you have a waterfall right inside the property, and this waterfall and the rain dance is specifically dedicatedly for those preferring the villa. Just look at the water flowing, and it is just crystal clear water. सो नाउ लेट्स नो कि यहाँ पर कैसे पहुँचना है आपको. तो अभी ये प्रॉपर्टी है करजत में. सो फॉर दोज हु वुड बी कमिंग टू दिस लोकेशन बाय पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट, यू नीड टू बोर्ड द ट्रेन फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ योर स्टेशंस. अगर आप मुंबई से आ रहे हो तो मे बी एनी स्टेशन फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल बोर्ड द ट्रेन टू करजत. You will get down at Karjat station, and from Karjat station you will have to take an auto rickshaw which will directly reach you to the hill connection which is in Jamrung area of Karjat. So you can directly come here. If you have your private vehicles, then you have no issues at all to reach here. So you can directly get here. So we looked at the property, we looked at the amenities here, we looked at the room tours that we did, and some amazing scenic beauty which you enjoyed here. Now also you were aware about how to reach here. I would like to add something to it, that we did not speak about the food package. So the food package is not inclusive of the package which you opt for the accommodation here. So what you can do is they offer you a la carte options. You can order as per your convenience and pay separately for it. Apart from that, I really enjoy this property, and I myself would recommend you to come here if possible on weekdays, as you can enjoy here, you can avoid the traffic, and the property is awesome, and the more you explore, the more you will love it.
To confirm your booking, you can directly reach out to the property by dropping a DM on their Instagram page, The Hill Connection. Alternatively, I have dropped their Insta page link in my description for your reservation purpose. You can drop the room type in comment to know the room tariff.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
वेल ये मेरा बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ द एपिसोड था. आप भी कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए कि आपका बेस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ द एपिसोड क्या था.
afternoon, we lay awake in bed.
अभी मैं बहुत टायर्ड थी तो इसके लिए मैंने
and you will definitely leave a like and comment and share the video to its fullest. If you have any concerns on the same, please do reach out to us by commenting. Alternatively, you can also subscribe our Instagram page, which is Casper_curates for quick connects regarding our shorts. We would also like to tell you that our channel is all about tech, travel, and leisure. I will leave a link of the purchase products of my vlogging setup. Hope you would like them, and please do purchase. Please do visit the property and also let us know if you have any doubts on the same. Hope you have liked the video. Please do like, share, and leave a comment if you have any doubts. Do not forget to subscribe the channel, as you may never see us if you haven't subscribed.